Hi everyone, tudo bom? This is Darcy and I'm here with Leda Lum.
Hi, Leda Lum's Apotheca Health and Beauty Hacks here.
So I'm so excited Leda's here. I love her channel. If you guys haven't checked that out, please check out her channel. I'll put it in the description box below. If you like my channel, you love her channel too. She has amazing skincare tips and she also has her own skincare line, which is super exciting. So make sure to check out her channel as well. We're going to do a collab video today. We're going to share with you guys our favorite DIYs.
DIY masks! So you're going to do your favorite mask on me and then I'm going to do mine and yours?
Yes. We're going to be sharing with you guys some amazing DIY recipes. I'm going to be testing out one of my favorite masks, which is the Turmeric face mask on Leda. And then you're going to have to go check out her channel to see this amazing mask, one of her favorite DIYs. What is it called?
We're going to be doing a manuka and neem and amla and turmeric
on her channel. So
yes.
Make sure to check out after this video to go check out her channel for that recipe as well. So that way we're going to have a little bit of like spa day, girl talk with some good beauty tips and some good fun. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Stop smiling, my face.
I know, sorry, right? We wash our faces and I'm going to apply one of my favorite face masks on Leda right now. Is the Turmeric face mask. This mask is amazing and I'm going to show you now the ingredients. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of garbanzo bean flour, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Either avocado oil or any of your favorite oils. That helps the turmeric to not stain your face. Buttermilk until you can get into a creamy consistency. So I'm going to apply both on her and on me, and we're going to see the result. Yeah, don't eat it. This mask is amazing. I love it. Have you tried that?
It smells so good. I don't think I've used buttermilk ever. I've tried chickpea, but
yeah, you can substitute with milk. I like buttermilk because I think it's so refreshing and nice. And I have a whole video talking about the benefits. And it's amazing. I don't know if you know too with buttermilk. If you are like really hot, especially in LA weather, in the summer, if you have a glass of buttermilk, it refreshes you like air conditioning. It literally has a cooling effect on the body temperature.
More than like just a watery yogurt,
because
or
it has
kefir?
the properties actually changes the body temperature. So it's an amazing thing to drink in the summer. It's like a portable air conditioning. You instantly feel like cooled.
Well, dang, you need that.
Yeah,
really.
yeah, no, especially this summer. It's like
it smells really good, and I really do want some. I want to drink some.
This is amazing, and I love about natural face masks is that you can literally eat this.
And I want to taste it.
And turmeric has so many amazing properties that, antioxidant. And I also read a whole article talking about that turmeric actually reverses sun damage and it affects the skin DNA, like when applied topically. So it's one of my favorite ingredients. And this mask is great even for people with melasma. Like you have to use multiple times, but it does help.
I have melasma?
Yeah, it helps with melasma. And
tastes good. I got some.
I got some.
I stuck some in the corner of my mouth.
I know, it's so good.
It smells like popcorn to me right now. It smells so good.
I like popcorn. Look like I'm putting baby food on you. That probably is a good food for the babies. I don't know.
Let's do a baby food mask.
This
is Gerber's.
You know what? As a kid, I probably would have tried because you know what? We can do that. Trying baby food and see. Because it's all natural, right?
Mm-hmm. It comes pre-blended, which is great.
Yeah,
and very convenient. Sorry.
That's okay. She's so funny. So now she looks so beautiful, and I'm gonna join her. Oh, it's nice and cool. just like painting.
It is like painting. I love painting.
Oh, this is nice. I like it. I'm gonna fall asleep.
Full spa experience.
It does smell like popcorn.
What is popcorn?
Now I feel like having popcorn.
No.
Yeah, chickpea is so good. It's actually like even though it's good for acne skin, it's also hydrating as well. So you can even use it for acne prone. I used it
maybe in my 20s for acne.
Yeah, it's so good for acne because it helps to like heal acne. One interesting thing, I have acne when it comes, I have to like really take care of it not to break out. Otherwise, it lasts like 6 months. I have breakouts that last like months. And when I was doing this mask once a week, I was not breaking out at all. So it's like a magical mask.
Does chickpea absorb oil?
It's not just that, it's healing to the skin and it helps. So I think it helps to prevent acne. It's also like, I think has like antiseptic properties too. So it's just so good.
Close enough to your lips so you can take a lick.
Okay.
Look how beautiful you
It looks so cute.
It's fabulous.
Okay. Try.
It tastes so good.
Oh my god, it does taste good.
That's what I get stuff.
It is like a dip. I feel like we need some chips, and we're like, so yeah, you can use this as a dip for a party, or
and then put on your face.
Put on your face and serve on your wedding day, and people will be like, "Yay! What is the secret?" We decided to do a little bit of a chat as we wait for the mask to dry, just to get to know Leda a little better. So Leda, tell me, how long have you been on YouTube?
I think I first put a video up 2009.
Wow.
And then it was very slow. I didn't really do much until then later.
I have a whole video talking about amazing YouTubers that I watch, and Leda's one of them. And so where are you from?
Boulder, Colorado.
And what brought you to LA?
I've been in California for a long time, but what brought me down from San Francisco was to LA was because I was an actor, or I am an actor, or was. And then my actors' friends kind of were like, you should do a YouTube channel, because it would just, helping them with this and that, and basically like our childhood. I was like, okay, I guess that sounds good, because I like helping people, and it's fulfilling for me to goof off on the camera.
And I love all your tips and DIYs as well. So, and Leda's already like,
cooling.
Yeah, Leda's already like, I'm gonna eat this out.
So I like smearing it on.
Yeah, it's actually, this mask is also a little bit exfoliating, but I have sensitive skin, so I don't like rub it off. But you can technically do what she's doing if you have like, because this mask naturally is exfoliating because of the turmeric and also the chickpea flour. It's natural exfoliating. So you can rub it off if you like, but if you have sensitive skin, we just wash with normal, like lukewarm water. So I think it's time to wash it off. And we're going to do this right now, and we'll be back to show you the results. Back, and after 20 minutes, we washed it off, and this is the result. And you guys can see. So how you feel? How do you feel about it?
Smooth.
Yeah, your face almost look like you have makeup on. Even though you have an amazing skin, it feels very like smooth and matted, and like you already don't have big pores, but
it gives you a little bit of a brightening.
Yeah, it does. It is a very, very brightening mask, so that's why it's good for melasma. Not right away, but if you with regular use, it can help. I feel like it feels like I just put powder on top, because it just mattify, but not in a dry way. It's like, I don't know if you guys can see, and it's not stained at all. Sometimes on your hairline, when you wash it off, you want to do like a little bit with like a washcloth. It removes best with a washcloth. That way it's not so messy. But it's totally worth it, guys. And you look beautiful. I love it. So I'm so happy to have Leda Lum on my channel today. So make sure to check out her channel, because now we're going to do another mask on her channel, which I'm really excited about. It smells delicious, so I'm probably going to eat it as well. And so I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can follow along and see the other recipe on her channel. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Actually, I'll see you on her channel. Bye.